You went out there as a white conservative woman. You're known for being a white conservative woman, and walked around some largely African-American Hispanic neighborhood, and then edited together 10 hours of footage, edited down to a couple of minutes, where you took the worst parts of the entire culture and you edited together, and it was all black men and Hispanic men saying things to this poor white woman, and then you produced it and you let it out on some Republican website. They would be calling it racist like crazy under those circumstances.
There's no doubt in my mind that would happen.
For some reason, this is like, I saw this woman on, what's the Billy Bush show? Access Hollywood, right? Which isn't that Access Hollywood? No one knows.
I don't.
Seriously, nobody knows what show Billy Bush is on.
Show. I don't even know who Billy Bush is.
Pop Crush.
Access. Okay, we're going Access Hollywood. Access Hollywood. That's a mainstream pop culture show. And she's just on there. I know. I just went around. I walked around the city. I couldn't believe what happened. What happened? Nothing happened.
Nothing happened.